In this video, I'm going to show you how to install the Tilta Gear Ring by Tilta. You can install a universal gear ring like that, but it looks bulky. That looks a lot better, and also you'll be able to turn the ring the full direction if you're using a motor. Tilta has their own lineup of rubber gear rings based on common lens diameters. Before you buy one, you want to first confirm the diameter of the lens you are going to be using it with. In my case, I have the Sony a6000. So what I did, I went to the website that I bought my camera from and searched for the specifications of the telephoto lens that was included in the kit. So I have the 55 to 210 millimeter lens, and I need to find its dimensions in millimeters. It's also the lesser number, and in my case, it's 63.8 millimeters wide. You want to next go to Amazon and type in Tilta focus ring. I'll also have the link in the description below as well, and it should look something like that. Underneath the price, you'll find options for different sized lenses. However, you might not see your exact dimension, but as long as it fits within the range that they specify, it should be fine. In my case, it's 63.8 millimeters. So I chose the option that specified 62.5 to 64.5. Next up is the installation of the Tilta rubber ring. It might be a little bent up from packaging, and so you might just need to roll it out a bit to get it back into shape. As you may have noticed from the packaging, it did say focus ring, and sure, you can use it for your lens's focus, but in my case, I'm putting it on the zoom ring. Now with the lens fixed on your camera and with the camera on a soft surface, slowly finesse the gear ring down the lens's tube. Check alignment and you should be good to go.